And now, First Warn 5 weather with meteorologist Samara Kokinos.
Good Tuesday morning to you. Your time is 6:44. When you step outside, head for your morning destination, you'll notice that it's not as chilly as it was yesterday morning. Check out these temperatures. We're right around 66 in Fronton, 72 in Scissors to 71 in La Sara. And good morning to you in La Feria, where you're waking up to 69 degrees. Let's go outside courtesy of Sky 5. I'll show you the sky cover. We have a good amount of clouds overhead, but look at that sunrise. Absolutely beautiful out there. You can see the hints of pink and gold out there on the clouds. Absolutely beautiful, but notice, yes, the clouds are a lot thicker. We have those winds out of the southeast. Let's go back to the map here and I'll show them to you. They're relatively light, but they're starting to pick up. They're anywhere between about 6 and 12 miles per hour this morning. They're going to continue to pick up and become quite gusty today. So let's look at that on Future Track. We start the clock at 6 this morning. Notice not much blue or green there on the map, but that changes by mid-morning and headed into the afternoon. Anywhere between 9 and 10 o'clock this morning and headed for the rest of the afternoon, you'll notice that there's going to be a lot of green and yellow here on the map, indicating anywhere between 12 and 20 mile per hour winds. The wind gusts this afternoon could be up near 30 miles per hour. It starts to slow down a little bit more for your drive time home. Still elevated though at about 10 to 15 miles per hour. So just get ready for that very breezy day. If you have small kids with long hair, be sure to do them a favor and pull that hair back. Overnight, the winds calm down and it'll be relatively light. Now, it's going to really draw in a lot of that moisture as well, so the clouds will continue to thicken up overhead. 68 degrees this morning, going up to 83 by noon. 85 is your daytime high, and we're still back in near 83 for your drive time home. Just a very breezy, muggy afternoon on tap, but dry. We have changes headed our way. Here's the setup across Texas. We continue to pull in a lot of the moisture from the southeast, so you'll feel the mugginess in the air and you'll notice the clouds thickening up. But look to the north and west over New Mexico. We have that cold front. That is our next cold front that will eventually arrive here, bringing us small rain chances, which I'll talk about in a second. I want to look at the tropics real quick and looking at the Gulf and the Atlantic. Quiet there, but zooming down to the southwestern Caribbean, that's where we find Tropical Storm Otto, currently stationary, but this system could start to move farther west, getting closer to Costa Rica and Nicaragua, and as it does, it could strengthen to a Category 1 storm. It's not going to impact the valley, but if you know anyone in those areas, we will continue to track this storm as it makes developments later on this weekend. So that's the latest there. But back at home, this is what we're going to be dealing with. That cold front will arrive tomorrow going into Thursday, so it's not really going to do much. It'll bring a few showers, light rain, and isolated activity. But the thing about it is it'll kind of fizzle out, and we'll have mild temperatures for Thanksgiving. And we have a secondary cold front, and that'll bring some subtle changes, but slightly cooler weather just in time for the weekend. But let's take a look at what we're dealing with today. 85 degrees, a very gusty afternoon. Remember, those winds will be gusting up near 30 miles per hour, so just hold on to your hats. Partly to mostly sunny. Then later on tonight, partly cloudy. The winds lighten up a little bit. We'll stay mild right around 68 degrees. Here's your First Warn 5 7-day forecast. We're back to 85 tomorrow. Spotty showers, so have your umbrella with you. And then 65 tomorrow night, rebounds to 83 for Thanksgiving Day. We're calling for a mainly dry afternoon, but I won't rule out maybe a few sprinkles or so. So don't be surprised if you see that on your windshield if you're going from house to house to gather plates. Black Friday, 82 degrees. A shower is possible Friday and Saturday, but temperatures take a small dip, 82 to 80 on Saturday, and then that's it. It's very short-lived. By Sunday, we're back to 86 with mainly dry conditions. A lot of sunshine in the forecast from there on out. On Monday, warm and sunny right around 85. Your overnight lows will stay in the mid to upper 60s for the next 7 nights. That's your updated First Warn 5 forecast.